today I'm going to go do some speed runs with these three cars. So there we've got the Xray, we've got the Hyper ST there, and the SMT10. Going to see how fast the Xray is on 4S. Going to see how fast the Hyper ST is on both 6 and 4S. And we're going to see how fast the SMT10 is on both 2 and 3S. So it will be interesting to see what the speed is of each. I have the theoretical top speed for all of them, so I can make some basic predictions. I think the SMT10 is going to do just under 30 miles an hour on 3S. I think the Hyper ST is going to do around the mid 50 mile an hour on 6S. 4S maybe 40ish, and then I think the Xray is going to do the maybe high 30s, low 40s on 4S, but we'll have to see. So the only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the tyres to the Badlands style tyres for the Xray, because I'm going to be running on grass and I don't want to wear these pins out, although they are quite worn out already. But I'm going to change over to the Badlands style like these because I'll be better on grass, which is what I'm going to do all the speed runs on grass up at the park. So the SMT10 obviously is a solid axle monster truck, 1/10 scale. It's only got a 3300 kV motor, so it's going to be the slowest. Hyper ST running 6S is an absolute monster, so that's clearly going to be the fastest, but it'll be interesting to see how fast it can actually go off-road, because the front wheels do balloon quite a lot. And the Xray, I don't know really, this is probably going to be the least exciting because it's a buggy. It's not hard to get to top speed, I can pretty much pin it from a standstill and it should be fine. So yeah, we'll see. It'll be quite interesting. I think the Hyper ST is going to be the most interesting, but it'll just be interesting to see what they all do. So yeah, let's go. Right, I'm now here at the park. Unfortunately it's incredibly windy outside, so I've no idea how the audio is going to turn out. Obviously I'm still in the car at the moment, so I've got no idea how the audio is going to turn out once I'm outside. So we'll have to see basically. But I've got all three trucks, got all the batteries down there. So I'm going to start with the SMT10 on 2S, see how it goes. So I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear this because it's pretty windy, but as you can see I've got the analyzer strapped onto the battery, so I can also record the screen on my phone, so that's probably what I'm going to do, and hopefully it works. I'm just going to set it going, run up and down the field for a little bit and see what speed we get. So there we go, 19 miles per hour over that run. Go, 27 miles an hour on 3S. It's not too bad at all. So that concludes the speed run for the SMT10 on both 2 and 3S. This is the 3S pack I used. So it did 19 miles an hour on 2S and 27 on 3S. So it's not too bad, I'm pretty pleased with that. Try the Xray next, I guess, on 4S. So I've got the 4S battery plugged in to the Xray here. Got the speed meter taped to the back. Got the remote. So I'm going to do a speed run on 4S. I'm just going to go up and down a few times, and then I'll do the Hyper ST. So as you can see, hopefully you can hear this, we're locked onto 12 satellites. Going to go into track mode, start recording, and turn the car on. There we go. Alright, let's see how fast it is then. Going to hit top speed, it was definitely just then. Let's see what she got. 38 miles an hour, so that was a pretty good prediction. I'll stop the recording and do the Hyper ST. So this is the one I'm most excited about. This is the Hyper ST 6S, and this is going to be the fastest speed run of the day, so let's put the shell on and go. So as you can see, I've got the speed meter just there, just waiting for the wind to die down, and I'll do the run all the way across the field. Right, let's start the app up and see how it goes. I'm going to go all the way over to the corner of the field and then come down the middle basically. Let's see what it got. Couldn't stop it. Tyres were ballooning way too much. Read that. 56 miles an hour. Doesn't sound too good though. Sounds like wheel drive So there you go. Pinion's finally given up, as I suspected. You can see what's left of it. Metal shavings everywhere. And oh flipping heck, it looks like I've lost a screw there as well, so that's not good. So hopefully the motor's okay, but you can see it's got pretty hot there. So it looks like it's overheated. So that's it for the Hyper ST. Unfortunately no speed run on 4S. Gonna have to get a new pinion and replace that motor screw at the back there. So that's it for this one. Goodbye.